Good day, everyone. This is Simon FX right here. It's been a while here on YouTube with you guys. For personal reasons, I've been off YouTube. So that's by the way, guys. So today we're back. We're back here on YouTube to show you how the market has been profitable for us. So today we'll be looking at how to use supply and demand from the higher time frame. Now I want to explain something to you guys. Now there's the reason why I love to talk about supply and demand from the higher time frame is because, guys, the market moves from supply and demand. If you're trending a bearish trend, if you're trending a bullish trend, if it is a bullish trend, you're looking at a bullish trend that is going up, right? You're looking out for what? A demand to help the price what push you up. If you're looking out for a bullish trend, all you need is a demand to buy. You can easily make money with that simple strategy. If it's a bearish trend, all you're looking at for what is a supply. So coming down, bouncing back to the higher time frame right here, all you need is just knowing the trend you're following, and then spot out your supply and demand. Spot out if it's a bearish, spot out your supply, and then trade alongside with that supply. You just have to drop down to the lower time frame and then spot out the other block flow. Spot out, like I said, there is supplies and demand in all time frames down to 1 minute time frame. You can spot out your supplier from there and then look for your perfect entry, refine your entry, and bingo, you got the money, guys. It's easy peasy, guys. This is basically what we do for a living. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to spot out your supply and demand from the higher time frame. Now come here with me in the chat and let me show you how to do that. Now guys, if you see this is the daily time frame, first of all, I like to spot out my key levels. If you don't understand what key levels is, you can go back to previous videos to check how to spot out key levels. Now the first thing you want to do right here is to see price key levels, right? I already have one spotted right here. You can see how price respected this zone, came back, went up, and came up this area as well. And then we also have this level right here. Yeah, you can see how price respected this level and as well respected this level. Now that is the key level for the daily time frame, and I would like to spot out this BOLs, break of structure. Yeah, what did I say? BOLs. What is the meaning of BOLs? It means break of structure. This is a hybrid spelling of BOS. You can just put it right there without wasting much time. This means that price is taking out the recent low. Is a continuous trend, either bearish or bullish. Now we also have another BOS right here. You can see that price moved up. Let me use this guy arrow to. You can see how price came from right here, right after touching these key levels from this area, and they came down to take out this low. After taking out this low, what happened, guys? Went up this far and then came back to what? Take out this low. We also have another what? BOS right there. Yeah. Now price is what? Price is also what? Going up to what? Gain another momentum from these key levels and what? To take out this low. This is basically how it works. So you've seen that happening. That's basically the major trend going on. Now we've understand the major trend is a bearish major trend. Now the minor trend right here is a bullish. It's a bullish minor trend. Check this out, guys. It's a bullish minor trend. Now how do you trade the you can as well follow the minor trend. You can trade along with the minor trend. If you're trading along the minor trend, all you have to do is spot out your demand. From the daily time frame, once the demand hits, bounce back to the lower time frame, look for your perfect entry, and then you get the money, guys. That's how you can easily make the money from the market. Now let me show you how to spot out supply and demand from the higher time frame. Now this is the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame. Now basically every time frame has the supply and demand. So I'm going to use my rectangle tools to spot out a demand. A supplier. Okay, let's spot the demand first of all. Now this, you can see the minor bullish trend here. Let me use my trend line first of all, so we can be in the same page right here. Yeah, this is what? A minor bullish trend. Obviously you can see overall trend is what? Is bearish. If I should show you the overall trend, is obviously bearish. With the help of looking at this BOS, you understand that it's a bearish trend here. So now this is a minor trend in a daily time frame. Now let's spot out the demand from here. There's a demand pushing price up, and this guy too, there's another demand coming from here. There's a liquidity right here, and there's a demand coming from here. and there's also liquidity right here. I remember back then, like 3 months ago, price was just ranging and ranging and ranging and ranging. Yeah, price was just ranging, and then we have this guy right here. All right, so you can see how price came back to what after price did what price came back to take out these lows, took out these lows. These are liquidity. I remember back there 3 months ago, price was just basically what was just ranging and ranging and ranging and ranging. Yeah, so after then price took out the lows, and what happened, started going up again. That's the minor trend we're following. Yeah, so I like to keep this guy simple. Okay, so we have, all right, so that's it, guys. That's the demand for the minor bullish trend. Yeah, we have this trend right here. We have this guy right here helping price to go up, and we also have this guy right here. Now, you want to spot out from the major trend, which is the bullish, the bearish. You want to spot out the major trend from the bearish pattern. Now, what you want to do is basically you just have to look at the overall trend and then spot out the supply level, right? Now, I have a supply coming from here. This was like the last low price printed. Let's take a very good look at it very well. Let's, very closely look so we don't make a mistake. Right there. So we have our supply right here. We have a supply entry from this zone right here. And now we also have another supply right here, touch this level, went down to this demand, and what happened, pushed up, and what happened, price came back here again, came back to touch here, touch this demand level, and what happened, started going up again. So with this understanding, you cannot decide which trend are you trading alongside with. Are you trading with the are you following the minor trend, or are you trading with the major trend? Well, for me, you need to understand that if you're trading the minor trend, you won't know who you're trading for a very long period of time, because price might get to the higher time frame supply and what start dropping down. So if you're trading a minor trend, you should know where to take your TP and go out of the market. And if you're trading the major trend as well, you should also know where to take your TP and go out of the market. The reason is because price is coming down to the minor demand, and they will happen. There will also be a retracement back to the next supply to also what to sell down. That's basically how the market works. So now I'll drop down to the 4 hours time frame to spot out another supply right here from the higher time frame, right now. If you look closely, you can see that we also have a bullish trend right here, and right here from this area we can see price is also what dropping down. So there's a supply, there is a supply, guys. So I'm spotting a supply right here. That's one supply. So we're hoping that if price get to this area, it will start dropping down. I also have another supply here. Now you can see that price is respecting this low right from here. Yeah, price is obviously respecting this low. So you wouldn't want to, but obviously price what took out the high. It's already going up. It's going up. So and now we're looking at the majors. We're still respecting the major trend, which is bearish. Now this is a major trend right here. This is the supply right here. Yeah, supply right here. I mean, like price needs to go up to this level, and what we want to see price dropping down from here, respecting this supply. because that's the 4 hours time frame supply, because you can tell from here, you can see the respect. So obviously price should get to this point, price should respect this area as well. So what we want to do now is, now we already have look out for the market. So this is the first supply here we're looking at to sell from, and as well this other area looking at to sell from. I believe this video have made you understand something how the market works. All you need is to spot out your supply from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. If you keep dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, there's a lot of suppliers going on right here. There's a lot of suppliers on demand, right? So that's, you can see the reaction, right? It's obvious. You can see this reaction here, and respected here. Even if the buyers are quite strong right now, so it's breaking out the suppliers, it's taking out the suppliers out, still going up. So we're still looking at to sell from here. So if you want to spot out the demand from the trend, right, from the 1 hour time frame, it's still very easy. Look at we can see right here. So demand right here, it's a demand coming from here. So demand coming from here. So demand coming from here. You can see how price is helping price to go. You can see how the demand is helping price to go bullish, and there's also demand going from here. So that week candle is a demand, and now there's a demand going from here. But to see this clear, you have to drop down to 30 minutes time frame to see this clearly. Now let's see what's going on here. That's another demand going on from here. So you can see how price is touching and what is keep going up. So if we're buying from here, would have been on profit. If we're buying from here, it would have been on profit. You can see how you can easily catch your entry from here, and then you place your stop loss low below here. You give it space to breathe. You can just place it space a little bit. Let's make it 15 pips. Yeah, it's good that way. And then you can time your, this is how you set your TP. Now you can see how much you're going to make to the next supply zone. So this is how much we're making, guys. It's a lot of money going on in the market right here. It's a lot of money in the market today. So we can easily catch the buy from here, and what we're making money. If you want to get a refining entry, you go down to the lower time frame, you spot out your recent demand and liquidity. It's easy, guys. It's very easy. Let's drop down to the 5 minutes. There is always a suppliers and demand everywhere in the market. Or I can see another entry right here. So we have an entry here, and we have a liquidity resting. You can see this red line is a liquidity right here. So using supply and demand is very, very easy. So this is another demand. Sorry guys, it's a demand, it's not a supply. The bullish is a demand. It's pushing price up. The supply is what push price down. So this is a demand right here. So it's a demand. You can place your stop loss right here or right here. This low is better. So once price get here, we should be looking at to buy GPUs. So you can see how you can refine your entry with easy stop loss and go risk to reward, and then you time the next high to the next supply level. But trust me, I won't stay long in this market this far. I will just hold my trade from here up to this level and out. So that's basically how you can spot out supply and demand from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. I believe this video must have helped most of you, have a better view of the market. So this will be all for today, guys. I will see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.